Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 66 plus 1. We're told that we're given a large integer represented as an integer array of digits, where each digit's I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from the most significant to least significant in left to right order, and the large integer does not contain any leading zeros. We need to increment the large integer by 1, hence the question plus 1, and we need to return the resulting array of digits. So this is an example. Is 1, 2, 3, which represents the integer 123. If we add 1 to 123, we get 124. So our output should be 124 as an array of digits. And we're given another example over here. The most kind of like the example which kind of caught my eye is this example over here where we've got 9. Well, 9 plus 1 is 10. But we can't put 10 in a single as represented as a single digit. So we have to represent it as two elements in our output list. So this is just something to keep in mind, and we're given some constraints as well. So the way we're going to approach this problem is by having a carry variable, which will carry our 1. And if we do get to a number like 9, for example, well, 9 plus 1 is going to be equal to 10. So we'll set the digit equal to 0, but carry the 1 over to the next digit for processing. So it'll make more sense once we code this up. Let's code this up in Python. So we'll set our carry equal to 1, like we said, and we'll start from the end of our list, the end of our digits list. So we'll say right pointer is equal to length of length of digits minus 1, and we'll say while r is greater than or equal to 0. So while we're not at the end digit, or after the end digit, we'll say result will be equal to digits r plus our carry. Now, what if we get to a number like 9? Well, 9 plus 1 is going to be equal to 10. So let's do 10 mod 10. 10 mod 10 would give us 0. So digits are, well, for example, if the number was 2, 2 mod 10 would just give us 2, but 10 mod 10 would give us 0 because there is no remainder. So this was great for our ith place in the event that we have a number such as 9. So digits are is going to be equal to result mod 10. And let's set our carry equal to result integer division 10. So for example, if we have 10, well, 10 integer division 10 is going to give us 1. In any other case, it will give us 0, but in this case, it will give us 1. So that will be our carry variable. So this is just some basic mathematics. And then we'll say r minus equals 1. So we decrement our right pointer. So this will finish once we get to the end of our list. But what if we still have something left in our carry? Well, then we're just going to say digits.insert at position 0 our carry. And then we just need to return our digits list. So let's now run our code. I see what the problem is. So we're inserting our carry despite the fact that we have to first check if there is a carry. So if the carry is not equal to 0, then we'll insert our carry. Otherwise, for example, in here, we're inserting 0 when there's no need to because we're not checking if our carry exists or not. So let's check if our code works again. Okay, we pass 3 test cases. Now let's submit our solution to make sure we pass everything. Fantastic, we pass all 111 test cases. So in terms of time complexity, it's just a single pass, so it will be a linear O of n time complexity. And space complexity, we are initializing some little pointers and variables, but pretty much everything is done in place. So we can say time complexity is going to be O of 1. So I hope this solution made sense to you guys and that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.